संसारदावानलितलोकात्राणाय कारुण्यघनाघनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्यगीताम् वादित्रमार्चान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाशुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानं शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। चतुर्विधाश्रीं भगवत्प्रसादो स्वातन्त्र्यप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नं प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। निकुञ्जयो नो रतिकेलिसिद्धै यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयं तत्रातिदक्षाततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। साक्षात् हरेत्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे युक्तस्तदा यतेन सद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूयं प्रियैव तस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। Shri Guru is to be understood in tattva, not get caught up just in the image. To be understood in tattva. That Shri Guru, Sadhu Guru, is Radhika Priyasaki and Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, the personification of mercy of Bhagavan. Srila Prabhupada, Radhika Priyasaki, he is not from this realm, eternal associate of the Lord. And he is Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. He has come down to impart the Kripa of Bhagavan, Srila Prabhupada, and all our Gurujana who is carrying Srila Prabhupada in their heart. They are giving the Kripa of Bhagavan to us. Yeah. So, all these pure souls that are carrying the pure souls, all the Gurujana, they are carrying Srila Prabhupada in their heart. And Srila Prabhupada is an eternal associate. And he is carrying Sri Radha Krishna everywhere. And that's how Prabhupada, he has Krishna, he gives Krishna to whoever carries him in the heart in that way. So the Gurujanas, they are our saviors. Save us personally. Save us. In this way, yasya prasado bhagavat prasada, yasya aprasado nagati kutopi. In this way, Bhagavan's kripa is given to us, handed over to us personally by Krishna Kripa Shri Murtis, the pure-hearted souls. So, yeah, these sadhu gurus, they are like the clouds pouring down waters of Krishna into our hearts, in our lives. They're always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities, always relishing the Bhakti Rasa of Bhagavan. After all, Bhakti is all about Bhagavan, every moment about Bhagavan. So why is it not relishable? Everything about Bhagavan is relishable. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charanam Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuye Savadhana Mate. Chahara prasade bhai bhavato riya jam. Krishna prapti hoi jam hoite. Krishna prapti happens through Guru Tattva, not with the mind, not with our intelligence, but it is through Guru Tattva, Shri Guru. Shri Guru Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyaikyam Aranam Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Ratim Aise Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham. See, Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitate Koriyaikyam means the words of the Acharyas, the Sadhu Guru, they circulate in our system. They circulate in our system. Only their Vani circulates in our system because it is blended in our Chitta. It means there is no mental chaos. It means there is no noise in the head. Our noise in the head should not circulate in our system. It is the Vani of the Acharyas. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya. That should resound within us at all times. No place for mental chaos. We think samsara means, somewhere outside. Material world is somewhere outside. Maya is somewhere outside. No, all that is present in that mental chaos. That's where the Maya is. So why step in that? Trash it. Hard to trash on our own, but with the Sadhuvani, when we are filled with the Sadhuvani, then the mental chaos gets trashed. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना प्रभु कोरो दया देह मोरे पाद चयम ए बिचाश कुशु त्रिभुवना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावना गुरुदेव होइलो शरणम जय प्रभुपदम जय प्रभुपदम जय प्रभुपदम श्रील प्रभुपदम जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Bhagavan. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from their lotus feet, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli ताहि मोर स्नान केली तर्पण मोर वैष्णवेर नाम धन मोर नित्यानंद पति मोर गौरचंद्र प्राण मोर युगल किशोर. Only when the Vaishnava is seen in Tattva, is taught in Tattva, is served in Tattva, then the Vaishnava Seva is unconditional. Then it becomes unconditional Seva. Otherwise, the Seva is only conditional. When our mind likes it, then the Seva will go. To whoever it likes, it will, the Seva goes there. Conditional, conditional, conditional. Vaishnava Seva is conditional when it is based on Laukika Shraddha. When it follows the dictates of mind. But Vaishnava Seva should be unconditional. Unconditional. That happens when the Vaishnavas are seen for who they are. They belong to Krishna. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyai Priyaye Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. The groves of Vrindavana, land of divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao He Abhilashi. E tomara sharanaloi taravancha purna hoi. Kripa kori koro tari Vrindavana vasi. We cannot come here on our own. No. Our mind, so-called intelligence, all of that cannot bring us to groves of Vrindavana. Vrajavasi brings us to groves of Vrindavana. Sadhu Guru brings us here. And the mamata that we have for a Vrajavasi, that mamata brings us here. And then engages us in Sakhiranukatya Seva. So when sadhana bhakti is turning to raga bhakti, the raga bhakta brings us here to groves of Vrindavana. So when bhakti is performed, performed not just as a process, but when bhakti is performed to the personalities, when we become Tavaivasmi to the Raga Bhakta, then the Raga Bhakti starts. So Moraya Bhilash Vilas Kunjati Yovas Nayani Hari Posada Yugla Ruparasi Eini Vedana Dharo Sakiranugata Koro Sevadhikaro Diyam Koro Nichadasi. Such beautiful world. Dina Krishna Dase Hoye Namora Hoye Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sada Yena Bhase. When would this day come where we actually live on this platform? Yani kani cha papani Brahma Hatyadikani cham Tani Tani Pranashyanti Pradakshina Pade Pade.